Corrosion-resistant materials. Effective locking, tested for more than 20,000 cycles, for hinged and sliding doors. Spacers to compensate thickness differences between the frame and the door. Easy assembly, 2 screws. No lubrication required. Fatigue testing is carried out to check performance of the lock under several opening and closing cycles. The test shows that the lock is able to guarantee a constant 30 Newton breakaway force over more than 20,000 cycles. After 20,000 cycles, the breakaway force slightly decreases, but no failures of the sample are detected.